Hello guys, so a little video about SpeedFlow for a little edit, but a really great edit. Observer on the Blender Artist Forum proposed a patch for SpeedFlow to change the behavior of the modals, and before he sent me his patch, I already added it to SpeedFlow because the idea was really nice. His idea was to, if you have a modifier, go in free navigation mode to avoid editing everything. For example, if you have a bevel, you launch the modal, you will be in free navigation mode. Like that, you will not change the setting you don't want. I will show you this. So this is pretty simple. I don't have a screw modifier here. I will launch this screw modifier and I will be in the mode I want. So the step. I want to change the value as I want, like that. If I come back after in this screw modal, like that, I will be in free navigation mode. Like that, I will be able to change the value I want, like that, okay? So, I will press screw 0, iteration 1, yep, like that. I need to add enter. And that's it. So, pretty nice. Like that, I can change without making any issue, without changing what I don't want. This is much better. I will activate the merge because I need it on this one. And that's it. So, I don't have a Solidify, so I will create Solidify. I will be able to edit as I want directly, if I want. But if later I want to come back and edit it, I will be in free navigation and I will be able to edit everything directly. Up, as you can see, the offset, 1, etc, etc. So, from there, I don't have a bevel, I can select this one and add a bevel, like that. And if I come back, I'm in free navigation and I'm able to add a new bevel, like that. I can add a subsurf, like that. And that's it, my object is finished. And it's okay. If I come back on the screw, I'm here, I can change whatever I want, or I can change this as I want. Up, like that. Or I can come back on the Solidify and change the value I want. Like that. So this is pretty simple. As you can see here, I'm on the V group. I don't want to change the V group, I want to change the angle. So I can change the angle here. Like that. So this is, in my opinion, a really great idea. This is better because you will not change the setting you don't want, and for me this is the way to go. So that's why I added the option in SpeedFlow preferences, modals, and free navigation as default action for modals, and I activated by default. So if you don't want it, you can remove it. I also made some modification. I added an option to expand the modifier here. As you can see, this is expanded. If the option is off, that you will have this. If it's on, you will have this. So that depends of people. Some people don't know, but you can set up everything in the add-on preferences. On the UI, if you want to use the Wheelmouse instead of the graphic tablet, normal menu or the panel, you can change the order of the pie menu or the menu directly if you want it. You can even disable what you don't want. Disable, as you can see. So in the modals, I added some options for the Solidify, and I need to edit this one. I need to clean this, it's wrong. I will fix it. I added options for the subsurf. I wonder if I can add more options. For example, for the screw, I added all those options. Maybe you want more, so don't hesitate to tell me what do you want. Tubify, array, symmetrize, Boolean. I will redo the mirror modifier to make it better, so you will be able to have some option here. and that's it. You can of course change the color, the text of the color, the size, the color of the text, the size, etc., and the keymap if you don't like the current keymap. You have some documentation and some links on how add-ons, etc. So as you can see, the add-on preferences are full, and you can do a lot, and you can edit SpeedFlow as you work, and it's not we don't tell you which workflow you will use. You can use the workflow you want, and you can use the settings you want. You can go in a subdiv mode or not, or no subdiv mode. If you want to work on games, etc. This is the no subdiv mode. If you want to work on subdiv mode, you can, etc., etc. Everything is there, and you can do whatever you want, and you can keep, of course, everything editable. So this is, in my opinion, something really nice. So that's it. Hope you like this new version, and this great idea from Observer. So if you have some other ideas, don't hesitate. If it's good like that, I will add it. And on the Discord, in fact, most of the time people ask for something, and if it's good, if it's interesting, if that will improve SpeedFlow, I will add it because I need it too. Okay, so bye bye.